shoulder line, shoulder slope. This is the shoulder line, this is the neckline. From here to here is 3.5. From this line you go up by 0.5. So from this line to here is 3.25. Yep, 3.25. Take it outward. These are 2 inches. We are making it button line, like a button placket. So from this you slope it down to the first button, the upper button, to the upper button. From this line to this line, this slope is from the neck to the first button. And then this that you took outward, curve it a little bit, curve it to the first line. So this is the chest line. After getting the neck, you draw the armhole line. Okay, the armhole line from here to here is 7.5. So from this slope you make it 7, reduce this by 0.5, make it 7, and then you create the armhole line. And from this line to this point is 3.5, the neck width. You also add the neck width. So from this 3.5 you insert in a quarter chest. Our quarter chest is 38 by 4. So after that, whatever you have from this mark to this mark, transfer it to the hem, to this hem line. Whatever you've transferred, take off 1.25, insert it at the waistline. This line here is the same line as the back slit, where the back slit starts. And then this is the pocket line. The pocket line. I don't remember how we got the pocket line. Oh, from down here we took 9 upwards and made the pocket line depending on the person's height. A shorter person would take 7.5 or 8. A taller person would take 11. And then this line here that separates the two front copies. You get the line from this shoulder corner, slope it a bit, slant it a bit to the hem, and then this is the dart that comes from the pocket upward. It's either 4.5 or 6. I think we used 6 for us. Then this is the pocket that comes from here at 9 inches. Yep. If you want to put 2 pockets, you have your first pocket. Oh no, if you want 2 buttons, you'd have your first button at the pocket line. The lower button, you'd have it at the pocket line, and we space buttons by 4 up to 5.5. So I think ours was 4.5, which we didn't do anyway because we used 1. Cut if you're using 1 button. Remember this is our pocket line. Go up by 2 inches from the pocket line. If you're making 1 button, if you're making 2 buttons, you make 1 button at the pocket line, space this button by 4 up to 5.5 and make the second button. If you use 2 buttons, wherever this upper button is, that's why you make this curve that comes from the neck down to the first pocket, to the first